question. I know that we can be very emotional and we can like think that some kids or somebody of our kids, of course, I know that like the Middle East and Africa is full of the kids, but unfortunately Europe can't help anyone. I have just a question. I'm sure that you are more informed and you have more statistics and about those 3,000 persons from this camp. I've been also there like several times in Greece, in Athens and also in Lesbos, in the migration camps. Do you know that how many of them have got already the decision that they are refugees officially, that they have a right for the asylum, and how many of them haven't got any response yet? And do they have also like some kind of migrants who have got like the negative response that they are not refugees, but they are just economical migrants? Because when I was there like 2016, 17 several times, at this time, those leaders of those camps, at least what I asked, they say like a lot of countries where the people came from, and those countries are not in the list of the war zones or some other risky countries. So they were like from Bangladesh, from other African countries. So it could be just interesting to know like that where from those people are really coming and how much of them, many of them are really right to have the asylum in EU. And finally, just small remark. I think the first solution for these kind of problems are not any kind of migration pacts, because as I've seen that we don't have any political support in the member states. And the first thing what we have to do, like also in the morning in the Foreign Affairs Committee, the Minister of Foreign Affairs from Greece said that we have a really huge problem how to have functional working system to send back the people who are not under the rule to get asylum in EU.
So that's after to Mr. Madison. How many of these are refugees? Of course, we can't know for sure, but so far, so I think so far, what the information I got is approximately 50% of the asylum applications have a positive decision, and approximately 50% a negative one.